What if you could open Google Sheets, type analyze my sales data, create charts, and calculate KPIs, and it just did it? No formulas, no pivot tables, no manual work, just results. That's exactly what I'm showing you today. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up Ajelix AI Agent add-on for Google Sheets and use it to get insights from any data in minutes, not hours. I've got a raw sales data set, nothing special here, and with a few natural language prompts, the AI agent is going to read the data, build charts, calculate KPIs, and surface the insights all directly in the sheet. No switching tabs, no copy paste, no formulas. Let me show you exactly how it works. So first, you have to download the add-on. To do that, go to extensions. You can click here on add-ons, get add-ons, search for AI Agent for Work. It's Ajelix and AI Agent for Work. You can click here. I have already installed it, so it shows me uninstall, but you will be able to click on install. Once you have installed it, then go back to extensions and you will see the AI Agent for Work added right here. Just click on Open AI Agent. As a new user, the add-on will ask you for an API key. To get the API key, go to chat.ajelix.com, create a free account, and you will find an API key under your account settings. It starts pretty simple. You insert a prompt. So at this point, I'm going to ask AI to analyze the sales data and create charts showing revenue by item and region in new sheet. And let's click send. AI created two sheets, revenue by the item and revenue by the region. Let's send a follow-up prompt and ask him to calculate the total revenue because I can see that he misunderstood something right here. And we're going to ask him to calculate the month-over-month growth, identify the top 3 performing products, asking to create a separate sheet, and use a specific color to match our branding. A couple of minutes, and AI has created a sales KPI dashboard. You can see formulas. He even used the formatting that we asked him to use. He has even separated the sheet, and you can see the charts, and they're all dynamic. He has applied the formatting and calculated everything right here. This is a task that would usually take hours to finish and fine-tune, but with AI agents, you can just run the task and you can go do other things. But this add-on does more than just analyze the data. You can have a full back and forth conversations, just like I showed you in this video. You can ask follow-up questions, request a different chart type, dig into a specific region or time period. You can also extract data from the web. You can ask it to pull data from specific URLs, links, or upload a PDF and have it converted directly into the structured spreadsheet data, all without leaving Sheets. And if you work across Google Workspace, the same Ajelix AI Agent add-on is available for Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms, or you can use the full web interface as chat.ajelix.com. One tool, entire workspace covered for you. This was one of the most basic workflows you can run, but even this alone could save you serious time every week. There's a free tier at chat.ajelix.com, so you can try it today, zero risk. If you want to see more Google Workspace use cases, let me know in the comments and I will build the next video around what you suggested me. See you there.